Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see how to draw a butterfly with the easiest possible way. So first of all we are going to draw letter W, and then from the center we are going to draw a straight line touching the center point of the letter. And then from this point we are going to make two curved lines outwards as shown, and for the next step we are going to draw some curves giving the shape of wings for this butterfly. So all you have to do is for the corners just make some curves as shown. It's really easy and you have the basic shape of this butterfly now. Now I'm going to use my marker and just outline this butterfly, and I will then erase the pencil lines. This is the easiest way to draw the outline of a butterfly, and anyone can do this by just drawing a letter W. Now let's make the center body of this butterfly. I'm just going to draw a little small circle and then just extending the body downwards and making two antennas. And for the pattern of the butterfly, I really like to make circles on both the sides, and then I just fill the gaps on the outer side. You can try and make any patterns that you like, but this is my favorite. I love it so much. And then I'm also going to draw a few lines inside. Please watch it till the end, and I will also show how I colored this one. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below what other simple drawings you want to learn, you want to see. I would be happy to make them for you. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.